The President, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, this week declined the assent of two ordinances submitted by the government on grounds that their promulgation at this juncture may not pass the test of constitutional propriety. The President's decision came 3 days after the draft ordinances were submitted by the government. Earlier, the government had sought to bring the constitutional amendments in the form of a legislation on the last day of the recently concluded Parliament session. The Supreme Court this week rejected the Bihar government's plea challenging the Patna High Court's order of a CBI probe into the multi-million rupee Bihar fodder scam. A three-judge bench of the apex court said, in view of the admitted position of large-scale misappropriation and fraudulent transactions committed in dealing with public funds of the state of Bihar over the years, an in-depth investigation to find out persons responsible needs to be done. The bench directed that the probe by the CBI would be held under the general control and supervision of the Chief Justice of the Patna High Court. It ordered the CBI to report from time to time the progress of the investigations to the Chief Justice of the High Court. The total quantum of foreign exchange inflow over 5 years from the foreign institutional investors, FII, crossed the $5 billion mark this month. In a conference organised by the Confederation of Indian Industry in New Delhi this week, Pradeep Kar, Executive Director, Securities Exchange Board of India, allayed doubts about the volatile nature of FII investments in India and whether the FII money was hot.
It would not be proper to qualify the FI investments as hot money. Certainly there would be volatility, there would be movement within the money coming into the country, there would be inflows and there would be outflows, but I would not like to qualify it as a purely hot money.